So here's the baby greens that I picked, along with some tomatoes, some cherry tomatoes, and a pepper out of my tower. This stuff is so fresh and crisp and delicious and sweet, and it'll make a really nice salad. Today we're gonna have a taco salad with leftover taco meat. And then all I did is I cut them off the rock wool here. So technically I could replant this rock wool because I cut it up high enough where the lettuce would regrow, but I just find it simpler and less messy just to throw some seeds in a new rock wool and replant. Easy peasy. Here's my salad. Unexpectedly, what I decided I really like this microgreen kit for is baby lettuces and also things like baby arugula right there. It doesn't take them long to grow, maybe 20 days or so or less. And I pull the whole plant when I go to replant. You know, I just stick my little rock wool cube that has sprouted. And it's very simple, and you get, the lettuce is real fresh because it's very young. I harvest the whole plant and cut off the lettuce and eat it. 1 cube usually is enough for one salad for one person, maybe 2 people. Usually I'll pull three cubes, and that will feed the whole family. And remember, there's 32 spots here, so that's a lot of lettuce. And then I just replant, and that's kind of been my favorite way of using this microgreen kit. So when you're starting baby greens or microgreens, you start out with the seed. This one is a basic salad mix. It's a combination of broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, lettuce, and I think arugula, and it's from True Leaf. And then like this is just a package of basil seeds. It doesn't matter what you use. You can use actual microgreen seeds or just, you know, some lettuce seeds. And then you just put a big pinch in each hole. And these are a couple days old. And like here I've got cilantro, there's spinach. I'm gonna do spinach and cilantro baby greens. I have arugula baby greens, lettuce baby greens. And you put a big pinch in the hole. Make sure you put them out in full sun right away so that you get nice, strong, healthy starts.